Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's see what's going on in the Greater Las Vegas Association of Realtors, MLS. Let's see here. New listings. Looks like we got about 19 of them already this morning. And we have this little townhome, 1,200 square foot for $176,000. Oh, it's nice. A little single story. Huh. Pretty clean. Garage. Where is this little guy? Valley View, Arville, Penwood, Sahara. Okay, just below Sahara there. Oh, that's nice. Built 1990. Okay, and the most expensive one that came on the market today is this one story, 515,000, 2,878 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 3 car garage, pool and spa, built in '02. See what we got. That's nice. A little pool back there. 515. Counters, nice pantry door, good sized kitchen, has the pool, good sized rooms. It's like an enclosed patio turned into a pool room. That's why they don't have a covered patio here. Okay, let's see, where is Evening Hills? Robindale and Rainbow. Okay, that's good. And yesterday, 203 Lake Mead Boulevard, 83,677 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Built in '90. See what we got going on here. Mountainside condos. Nice common area. Nice clean complex. A couple of pictures and that's it. Lake Mead in Hollywood. Okay, over in the northeast. Okay, let's see what we got as far as the highest price yesterday. $175. Okay, 198 between yesterday and today. 1.5 million single family residence. Nice pool. Single story. It's a nice house. Nice yard. Looks good. Wonder where it's from, where it is, Scenic Ridge. Okay, over in the southwest. Okay, that's nice. Alright, so what do we got in escrow? We have 675 in escrow with 444 recently sold. Let's see what we got here. Today is the 11th. Nothing has been reported today. So we've got a one-story manufactured home sold for $95,000. Strip view from the front yard. Okay. On Navajo. Lake Mead and Pueblo. Okay, over in Henderson there. Alright. Most expensive yesterday, that's 50 closed, 75 closed, 100 closed. There we go. And we have over on Soaring Bird, 3.5 million, close to it at least, 11,000 square feet. Wow. 5 bedrooms, 8 baths, 4-car garage, pool and spa. Okay, contemporary, looks over a golf course. That's a nice shot. Nice kitchen. All around nice house. $1,000,005, is that what we said? Nice view of the strip. Nice pool. Everything's nice on this house. Oh, 3.5 million, yeah. Okay. Well, that was yesterday's. Let's see what we got going on as far as recent pool houses. 2 days, single family, pools, 56. Huh. Alright, well, that's it. What do we got over here? 525 over on Fort Acres Street. Okay. Well, I think that is all we got for today. Short and sweet. So I think we looked at this already this month. Mark us down a bit as far as that's concerned. We do have slide analysis here. We got a couple minutes here. Let's see what we got going on the reports. Market update. Just throw this in for the heck of it. So, residential population growth in Nevada is number 1. A little over 2% annual growth. That growth. Clark County, 2.2 million in Clark County now. $47,000 new residents. 130 people per day. 5.4 per hour is coming into Southern Nevada. Driver's license surrenders. People moved or can't drive anymore. 36 is the high. 36% of drivers turning in their licenses. Nevada, biggest job growth in the nation, 3.8%. Employment. Leisure and hospitality, wow. 5,500. In construction and leisure and hospitality. Unemployment rate. Las Vegas will be at 4%. Fastest growing personal income, we're up 1.5% for the quarter and 6.2% annually. All these projects going on, tourist related and non-tourist related. Wow, just speckled all over the place. Look at this, resorts, $7 billion. There, the Drew, $3 billion. Las Vegas Stadium, $1.8 billion. Convention Center, $1.4 billion. It's crazy, crazy stuff. Raiders corporate headquarters and practice facilities, $75 million. Fastest housing price appreciation, 15%. Whoa, that's crazy. That's why our market did a little stall out, I think. House price index growth, 18%. Man. This is crazy stuff. Alright, well, it's 12 minutes, so I will talk to you a different time. Average apartment rent, almost $1,100. You have a good day and probably talk to you tomorrow.